Good morning, sunshine. Look who we have here. Who is this grumpy person? Is that you? Are you grumpy this morning? Yeah? Are you grumpy this morning? What happened to you? Little Freddy is grumpy this morning.
Welcome to Vanilla Beach and to McDonald's.
Yeah, sadly I felt some raindrops. Hopefully it will not be for too long, because we are renting a kayak
To go to
and we'll do some beach hopping with our kayak. We've done this 2 years ago as well, and we want to show you guys too what you can do here without joining a tour. So yeah, let's get going. So this is the rainy season in El Nido. You'll catch a bit of rain, probably daily, but it goes away in 15-20 minutes. So we're just waiting here to get the kayaks. Hopefully it will stop soon. Still pretty. And this side still sunny. It's still slightly raining, but we had enough of waiting for the rain to pass. We're just gonna go with it and try to enjoy the day. We're here anyway, so we're not gonna stay inside the house. We will this afternoon when we work, but not right now. You ready, Captain?
Yeah, Captain.
Who's the captain?
The captain.
The captain is the one sitting in front, no? I'm Captain 1, you're second in command.
All aboard! All aboard!
In the Philippines, which is a country comprised of over 7,000 islands, it's not a surprise that one of the main activities you can do is island hopping tours. But if you don't fancy the island hopping tours in El Nido, or you're looking for a do-it-yourself adventure, then this is it. Renting a kayak and exploring the remote beaches around El Nido is the answer.
Renting kayaks was one of the best things we've done in both our visits in El Nido and in the Philippines in general. And when we will return in the future, we will surely do it again. To do a full tour, we recommend getting out at sea as early as possible, no later than 8 AM. That will give you about 8-9 hours of exploring, out of which you will be probably paddling about 2.5 hours.
Starting at Vanilla Beach, your first stop could be Lapus Lapus Beach. Then you can head over to Papaya Beach, which is about 15 minutes by kayak away. From Papaya Beach, just a 10 minutes paddle away, you'll reach Seven Commandos Beach. And then another 15 minutes away, you'll find Ipil Beach too. You can do this in reverse, of course, if you start in El Nido.
So, where you are?
Where are you? So this beach right here is Lapus Lapus Beach. There's actually a family who lives on this beach. Even last time we said we're gonna stop, but we didn't. Maybe when we come back, if the sunset's right here. So it's the last beach that will get the sun. Oh.
So, we are at Papaya Beach. We're not gonna stop here. And there you go, as the boat. Over there it's Seven Commandos. There's the resort over there. And we're just gonna pass
We will try.
on the other side of the rock, of the cliff, to see Ipil.
Yeah, guys, this is a bit upper body work, so make sure you have a bit of strength when you venture out with a kayak. Today there are not that many currents. You can see the sea is flat-ish right now.
It's just the boats that are passing are gonna create some waves, but yeah. Be prepared and have magnesium in the way.
I'm resting for a little bit. It's rewarding with the kayak, but also not that easy. but we are, I think, over halfway through, aren't we? Yeah?
What?
I think we're over halfway through.
Maybe it's 45 minutes since we're paddling.
Okay, I'll help out a bit in the paddling and then catch up with you guys later. Remember the number of people here on Saturday? No, there's no one. All boats left already. Huh?
Yeah, they're coming afterwards. Probably the other tours we've been with the Tour A. So. Someone lives here.
When we finally arrived on Ipil Beach 2, we took some time to relax and rest after the efforts we have made in the kayak.
Although there are some kubos on the beach, we were not sure if they are for rent or some people actually stay here during the dry season. In case you're wondering, kubo is a Filipino small bamboo house.
The beach here is so peaceful and there was absolutely no one. And guys, the sand is so fine and the water so beautiful.
No.
So we made it to Ipil 2 beach, just around the corner from Seven Commandos. Ah, there's a butterfly. And yeah, the weather is moody, but it's so beautiful here. I'm so happy that we came here. There are no palm trees like on Papaya and Seven Commandos, but it's so chill. There are a few huts here, but there's no one right now. I'm not sure how you can rent them. Cannot see too well. And
Snorkel time.
we're on to a mission. We're gonna check out what snorkeling looks like here. Maybe we just go a bit around the corner or that way. We're just keeping an eye on the rain to pack up our stuff. Let's go!
Take a breath, let it go. There's a spark inside. I can feel it. I'm alive, I'm alive. I open up, spread my wings. I was born to fly. I can feel it. Let it rise, let it rise. And now the world is calling. Underneath the brightest sky. Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. I feel alive inside. I feel alive. I feel alive.
Lunch at sea.
Yeah, but mainland I think it's already pouring, I would say. And here the sea starts to be a bit rough. It's a bit windy, so we need to wait.
Ah, the sea is so warm. It's a good time to see that. What?
There's a boat
Oh,
returning to Seven Commandos, probably to take shelter. There you go.
Take the train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face with your hand in my hand. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed.
Bye-bye, Ipil.
Oops.
After the rain. So the rain is gone now.
And we are escaping home now.
Yeah, sadly we cut the trip a bit short. I mean, we were meant to leave at this time anyway. Ouch.
Yeah, but we were meant to do another trip to the other
Yeah.
beach. But unfortunately the rain kept us here. It was nice, it was fun.
Yeah, I think this beach is very, very beautiful. If we have more time, we will come back once again. Out of the three, Papaya, Seven Commandos, and this one, I think this one is the prettiest for me. Even though it doesn't have coconut trees, but it's more wild, more.
Yeah, it's quiet here. There's quite nobody.
Yeah, you don't have the boats coming here. Maybe just private tours, but I don't think so.
Alright.
So you will not be disturbed all the time like on Seven Commandos, especially, and Papaya. So we're gonna hit the hit the sea back.
Yeah.
We will see you guys in our next episode, when we will take you with us, hopefully in Sibaltan.
Alrighty. How are you fighting with the waves?
If the weather allows, we highly recommend that you stay until around 5 p.m. so on your way back you will catch the sunset, so the golden hour will catch you at sea. This time we had to go back very early, but last time we did catch the sunset and it was so beautiful.